Related Posts Neural Network is a plugin for WordPress. If your website runs on the world's most popular open source content management system, then this plugin should work for you. It creates a custom neural network, a form of machine learning or artificial intelligence, which will learn from your visitors and recommend content within your website based on what they visit. You will have seen something like this on shopping websites or blog sites, where they display links to other products or articles in a section called "You may also like" or "You might be interested in." The format and quantity of these suggested links is easily customized for your own website. Behind the scenes, this plugin learns what visitors access on your website and builds a locally stored and efficient neural network. When a visitor looks at a page, post, article, product, or other content on your site, it uses the links or synapses in the neural net to suggest other content that the visitor may like. The more visitors you get, the more the system learns, and the more accurate these suggestions will become. From your WordPress dashboard, you will get access to some key information to help you monitor the linked content and the popularity of content. You will see a visual representation of the neural network and how URLs are linked together. You also see a list of the URLs visitors have been to, along with the number of sessions that have visited that content. You get a bar graph showing these figures too, so you can easily compare the popular parts of your site to the not so popular parts. By clicking on any of the URLs in any graph, it will highlight the same URL in the others, so you can see what each item is linked to. By clicking on a synapse or link, you can also manually adjust its strength, which will affect which URLs get suggested on certain pages and which are avoided. Here is a quick example of the neural net graph from a real live site with just a handful of products. You can drag the nodes or URLs around to make it easier to see what is connected. Turning physics on will make it automatically move nodes based on what they are connected to and the strength of those connections. Zooming in and out and dragging the graph around can make it easier to focus on certain parts of your site. Some key features include, as it works by examining URLs, the plugin will work with all content types a user may visit. For example, articles, products, pages, blog posts, courses, and more. No visitor statistics or data leaves your website. Nothing is processed externally. Everything is done locally using no third-party services. The custom-written AI is built entirely within the plugin. The plugin is written to be as efficient as possible, so should not affect the speed of your website in any way. No identifiable information is collected from your visitors, helping it abide by GDPR and privacy rules. It is easy to install and set up for pretty much any WordPress site. Insert suggestions in your content with a simple shortcode, so it can be put into individual pages or added to theme files. The plugin is free to use for as long as you like, and for small sites the free version will probably suffice. But if you decide to register for the Pro version, you can unlock all of the features. The free version is limited to 30 synapses or links, and the charts will only show the top 30 links and 10 URLs. The Pro version allows an unlimited neural net size. It also increases the graph sizes to show 500 URLs and 1,500 links between them. The Pro version allows you to manually adjust the strength of links between URLs to help force or discourage recommended content. It automatically downloads block lists for common search engine bots, crawlers and spiders to prevent them influencing the neural network, and a list of bad IP addresses which get ignored as they might affect the visitor stats. You will also get email support if needed. For more information, please visit the website and download the free version of the plugin to try now.